6, 7. You know, it's a number like 93, 77, 41, 6, 7. You know when you play Clash Royale and you place the Mega Knight, it says 6/7 and then it plays. Or maybe you don't use the fucking Mega Knight, but still, if you think about it, 6, 7 is like, why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7 and 9. That is something. That's something to comprehend. I don't know if that's the right word, but holy. That 7 is so scary because it ate 9. Subscribe, like, and yeah, thanks.